So are you surprised? Did you think maybe they were deadlocked on finding him guilty, or were you like, oh, they're deadlocked, they're just trying to move a couple of people over to the not guilty side?
I wasn't surprised. I'm not surprised by this verdict. Listen. My heart goes out to the families who lost loved ones. And feeling that may have been done prematurely. But this case has always bothered me for a couple of reasons, and one that Mr. Baez identified himself. But two, if the entire case by the prosecution was based upon the dosage, right? They just felt that the amount of fentanyl that he gave to them had to indicate murder. Well, then why wasn't he arrested on dosage number one? Why wasn't immediately red lights going off when he gave dosage number one? And instead, we had 25 people, only 14 charged here. It just never made sense to me. It just seemed like the practice of medicine is more of an art than it is a science in this case. And the other thing was motive, as Baez points out. He's right. You don't have to prove motive as the prosecution. But in a case like this, you better give something to the jurors to hang their hat on, because otherwise they're looking at a doctor who, for no reason whatsoever that they can discern, would try to kill these people who are close to death anyways. It just didn't make sense. I don't think they bought it. They obviously didn't.
Yeah, they obviously didn't. And so the system worked, right? Prosecution didn't prove its case. No compromise, not guilty on all counts. And my heart goes out to those people, too, the families of the people who died in this case. It's awful to always lose a loved one. But William Husel, for now, right now, is a free man, not guilty on all counts. All right.